Beautiful people, thank you for joining us on today's episode. Good morning. As you can see, it's morning here. This is fufu. This is the process of these are the processing of Nigerian fufu. Okay, this is how we got here. First, we got the bitter cassava, which has the 480 cyanide compound. So we peeled it, we soaked it for 3 days, and after that we now remove the shaft, and we now kept it in a bag and we drain the water. So this process is the draining process. As you could see, these are Leah, these are stones. We use it to compress the fufu. So right now the water has drained. We did it overnight, so I'm going to remove the stones. The reason why we are showing this, we've already done this process in the past. It's on our YouTube channel, but due to some comments I need to explain some process, because some people just used any cassava. You can't just use any cassava, it will not work. Okay, you have to make use of the bitter cassava. The bitter cassava is white in nature. When you peel the brownish skin, the first outer layer, you peel it. When you peel it, you see the white before the real tuber of cassava. While the sweet cassava, when you peel the outer layer, which is brown, you get to the red skin before the real tuber of cassava. So the one we are using is the white one, known as the bitter cassava. It is the only cassava that has the highest amount of cyanide compound, which are considered dangerous, hazardous to human consumption when you just eat it raw or you use it to prepare food directly. So this is how we process it, so that all this liquid out, though this we've already thrown the water away, it has a lot of processes. So this is the last stage. Okay, so the whole process will remove the cyanide compound, which will now make it very safe for human consumption. So right now I'm going to show you the output of where we are coming from. So I'm going to remove this stone. Please watch there. I'm going to lose this. This is how we tie it in our village. Some will use some machine to tie it, but you can also use this method. So this is stones. We use it to put pressure. Okay. So we are just going to show one. I'm going to move it to our kitchen table. So this is the flour. In case you are wondering, this sack is the flour, 50 kg flour. In fact, it's the best. It will not make the nutrient to. The reason I'm doing this, so that the particles will drop down. As you can see, this is flour sack. Okay. So please, let me wash my hand. So as you can see, this is the dough for making fufu, the Nigerian fufu. Okay, you could see this is the dough. So as it is like this, we can use it to prepare fufu right away. So but we are not preparing fufu today. So I'm going to store it in a nylon and keep it in a fridge where it can stay like 2-3 weeks or even a month. So as you can see, the texture, this is fermented for 3 days. The whole video is on our YouTube channel. Please, once again, this is bitter cassava. You cannot use sweet cassava for this process. It will not work. Okay, the difference between the bitter cassava and the sweet cassava, the bitter cassava is white, while the sweet cassava is reddish. So I'm going to store this. Going to store this. Manuela, please. And as it is like this, you know, all the old cyanide compound has been removed, so it's very safe for consumption. We'll store it like this in the fridge and we'll be eating it gradually. You can see it's very dry. Yes, thank you. Just drop it there. Bring the other one. Bring the other one. Don't match it now. So I'm going to tie this. So I'm going to tie it. So viewers, my this is also it. I put it in a bigger nylon to store it. So this one for display. So here are our Nigerian fufu, the dough to make Nigeria fufu. Okay, so this is the sack. It's empty. So I'm going to rinse it and dry it for another day. So viewers, this is our Nigeria fufu, the dough to make it. As it is now, we can use it to prepare food. So watch out for our next video. We'll be using it to make Nigerian fufu. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, turn up the notification bell to all, so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you very much. See you in our next video. Mwah!